everybody. 3:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New South Wales, Australia. Dr. Jason W. Morrison, theologist, even though I'm doing construction work at the moment, which I'm enjoying. My gosh, jury, Jehovah Witnesses pay $35 million to an abuse survivor. Oh, $35 million. In this Wednesday, what's this? In this Wednesday, December 9, 2015 file photo, the iconic watchtower sign is seen on the roof of 25 to 30 Columbia Heights, then world headquarters of Jehovah Witnesses in Brooklyn, borough of New York. Two women who were sexually abused as children say the Jehovah Witnesses failed to report their abuser to authorities in Montana, and instead expelled him from the congregation as punishment until he repented. The Thompson Falls trial that begins Monday, September 24, 2018, is one of dozens of lawsuits filed nationwide over the last decade alleging mismanagement of sexual abuse claims by the Jehovah Witness clergy and members. And I just want to say that sign was never legal. That sign was never ever legal. It was an illegal sign. That sign. It sat on the top of that building illegally the whole time the Jehovah Witnesses owned it. Gosh. The Jehovah Witnesses must pay $35 million to a woman who says the church's national organization ordered Montana clergy members not to report her sexual abuse as a child at the hands of a congregation member. A jury ruled in a verdict. A judge must review the penalty, and the Jehovah Witnesses national organization, Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of New York, plans to appeal. Of course the dirty grubs are going to appeal. Still, the 21-year-old woman's attorney says Wednesday's verdict sends a message to the church to report child abuse to outside authorities. Hear, hear. Hear, hear. Hopefully that message is loud enough that this will cause the organisation to change its priorities in a way that they will begin prioritising the safety of children so that other children aren't abused in the future, Attorney Neil Smith said Thursday. The Office of Public Information at the world headquarters of the Jehovah Witnesses responded to the verdict with an unsigned statement. An unsigned statement. Gee, they're unaccountable, those grubs. Oh, they're a pack of grubs. I shouldn't say that, should I? But they are. They're just a pack of grubs. They don't take accountability for anything. Gosh! The Montana case is one of dozens that have been filed nationwide over the past decade alleging Jehovah Witnesses mismanaged or covered up the sexual abuse of children. The case that prompted Wednesday's ruling involved two women, now 32 and 21, who allege a family member sexually abused them and a third family member in Thompson Falls in the 1990s and 2000s. How many of these people are out there? Bring your message to the authorities. Forget about the elders and all these grubs. The women say they reported the abuse to church elders who handled the matter internally after consulting with the national organisation. Who do they think they are? The elder expelled the abuser from the congregation in 2004, then reinstated him the next year, the lawsuit states, and the abuse of the girl who is now 21 continued. How evil and ignorant are these people? Gosh. The lawsuit claimed the local and national Jehovah Witnesses organisations were negligent and violated a Montana law that requires them to report abuse to outside authorities. Hear, hear. The national headquarters, called Watchtower, they control when and if anyone within their organisation reports child abuse, Smith said. Watchtower instructed everyone involved that they were not to report the matter to the authorities. Why? God, they're a deliberately evil bunch of people. Attorneys for the Jehovah Witnesses said in court filings that Montana law exempts elders from reporting internal ecclesiastical proceedings on a congregation member's serious sin. Oh, get off. The church also contended that the national organisation isn't liable for the actions by Thompson Falls elders, and that too much time has passed for the women to sue. Too much time has passed, Watchtower, for your prophecies as well, you clowns. Oh, I've had enough of this organisation. It's a terrible organisation. The jury awarded the 21-year-old woman $4 million for her injuries, plus $30 million in punitive damages against Watchtower and $1 million in punitive damages against the Christian Congregation of Jehovah Witnesses, another Jehovah Witness corporation that communicates with congregations across the US. The monetary award must be reviewed by the trial judge and could be reduced. The Montana law caps punitive damage awards at 3% of a company's net worth or $10 million, whichever is less. A legal challenge to that law is pending before the Montana Supreme Court. The jury dismissed claims that the church should have reported the second woman's abuse by the same congregation member. Jurors concluded church elders did not receive notice of the 32-year-old woman's abuse in 1998, as she said they did, and therefore did not have a duty to tell the authorities. The third family member who claimed abuse was not a plaintiff in the lawsuit. The Associated Press generally does not name people who say they are a victim of a sex crime. This is Dr. Jason W. Morrison. Again, this organisation, $35 million for their negligence in child abuse, not reporting child abuse outside to the authorities. Who do they think they are? Oh gosh, bye for now. 3:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 28th of the 9th, 2018. Bye for now. Yeah, Dr. Jason Morrison, theologist again. I just want to say thank you for watching the videos, and I hope you got plenty of self-rediscovery and freedom out of it. If you watched it on YouTube, please share or like, maybe even comment. If you watched it on Facebook, like, comment, share. But most of all, get out and live. This isn't a rehearsal. You've got a one-off life. Don't let your loyalty and your faithfulness blind you to the life that you should be experiencing. Till the next video, thank you for watching, and bye for now.